How to speed up slow Windows 10 laptop. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we'll guide you through on how you can speed up your slow Windows laptop. So let's go on with the process on how we can fix that issue and make your laptop faster. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon and turn on the notification bells to get updated about our latest videos. So if your Windows 10 laptop is slow, these are the process you may follow in order to do so. You may just open up your settings, Windows plus I, open up your settings, and you'll be finding your settings here. You're just gonna look up for the option called system here. Just go up and you'll be finding that option system here. Just open up the system settings, and on the left side you can find different settings here. You're just gonna scroll down a bit until you're able to find the option called about. Just scroll it down and you'll be finding about here. Just go to the about section, open up the about settings here, and you're gonna look up here. Just scroll this side of the screen as well and go on the looking for the option called advanced system settings. Just open it up and open the advanced system settings here. You'll be finding advanced. Go to the advanced tab and go to the settings under performance, and you can find this option called just for best performance. You're just gonna select this option and apply it after that. And after apply, just click on OK, and that should make your laptop faster. So that's how you make your laptop faster. So therefore, follow the steps. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.